GPT-4o just blew everyone's mind. It can talk, see, and now generate stunning images. And for fashion brands, the most exciting news is it can now create something that looks like a real fashion model. Let me show you how. Upload garment image input prompt to put the cloth on the model you want. Boom! You got a vivid real model image. You must think it's going to be a game changer for e-commerce. But let's pause here. What does a real fashion brand actually need when generating model images at scale? Details, speed, scalability, consistency, or something else? We tested GPT thoroughly for e-commerce use cases. Here's where it works and where it doesn't. Let's start with something easy. We tried to let GPT generate a model image suitable for a PDP based on the clothing we provided, while also specifying detailed requirements for the model and the scene. After a few minutes of waiting, we got a decent output. The model and background matched the description well, showing GPT's strong semantic understanding. However, while comparing the clothing details, we noticed that the suit jacket changed from having one button to two, and similar issues occurred repeatedly despite multiple attempts. We tested different outfits and found that the clothing details consistently exhibited varying degrees of alteration. This indicates that when generating fashion models, GPT still struggles to maintain consistency in clothing details, which is a critical challenge for fashion brands. Next test, keeping model ID across different poses and angles. Online fashion shops typically require multiple photos of the same model in various poses and angles to showcase clothing details. Let's see how GPT performs in this scenario. We first uploaded a model image and asked GPT to generate front, side, and back views while keeping the model ID consistent. We then compared the model features across the outputs. GPT successfully generated images with different angles and poses as requested. However, upon closer comparison of the model's face, noticeable changes became apparent. The jawline became rounder, the eyebrow shape sharper, and the nose shape varied significantly across images. After multiple generations, the model's appearance often changed so much that it looked like an entirely different person. As testing progressed, we discovered even more serious challenges. All image sizes are fixed. You can't choose HD. You can't control framing or resolution. And worse? About half the time, your prompt gets rejected due to policy limits on people. This is a critical obstacle for fashion brands looking to improve productivity. The last thing, imagine you're a fashion brand with 1,000 new items this season. You need 5 photos per item. That means 5,000 high-quality model images. Can you imagine going back and forth with ChatGPT to manually generate 5,000 images? It would be an incredibly tedious workload, not to mention that each image takes several minutes to complete. Now, after all the testing, we can draw the conclusions here. GPT has the basic ability to generate model images and shows strong semantic understanding. The models it generates look fairly realistic, making it useful for inspiration and creative design. However, it struggles to maintain consistency in clothing and model details. The success rate is highly unstable, and the dialogue-based interaction is extremely tedious. Furthermore, taking several minutes to generate just one image falls far short of the efficiency needed. Therefore, we have to say it's not ready for commercial use. So, is there really no good AI fashion model product that can replace traditional commercial photo shoots? Maybe take a look at this product, Hoohoo AI, built specifically for fashion e-commerce. With just one click, you can turn any clothing image, ghost mannequin, hanging shot, flat lay, or dummy model into a styled fashion model photo. It works across all ages, genders, and body types, with excellent detail retention and almost no distortion. And powered by the advanced algorithm, you can get consistent, high-quality results in just seconds. Need more? You can batch generate full image sets, perfect for scaling your product pages fast. The clients use it to cut photo costs by 90%, go live 10 times faster, and create on-brand visuals without a photography studio. Ready to see the future of fashion? Now check out Hoo AI at the link below, upload your clothing image, and watch it come to life in seconds.